The Shark Facial Pro Glow is being pushed hard on TikTok as a professional grade facial device, promising spa level skin rejuvenation at home. It claims to combine LED light therapy, microcurrent stimulation, and deep cleansing to deliver glowing, youthful skin. On the surface, the marketing is slick, videos showing influencers raving about instant results, and the $400 price tag positions it as a premium beauty gadget. But here's the honest truth. While LED therapy and microcurrent devices do have some scientific backing, the Facial Pro Glow Shark is essentially a rebranded consumer device, not a medical grade tool. Dermatologists caution that results are usually subtle and temporary, not the dramatic transformations shown in ads. User reviews outside TikTok are mixed. Some buyers enjoy the convenience and say their skin feels refreshed, but others complain about overhyped claims, average build quality, and questionable value compared to established brands like Foreo and NuFace. The aggressive discounting and influencer driven hype raise red flags that this may be more about marketing than innovation. The Shark Facial Pro Glow works as a beauty gadget, but it's not a miracle cure. At $400, you're mostly paying for TikTok hype rather than proven long term results.